find the square root of the given polynomial. It is in terms of fractions. So first step as usual, square root of x square by y square, that is x by y. What we are getting here, right at the top and at the left. Next we have to multiply these two. So x by y into x by y, that is x square by y square. Change the sign, so it will be cancelled. Next bring the two terms, minus 10 x by y plus 27. Okay, what is there at the top? Multiply by 2. Okay. Now we have to find one term here. Right hand side first term by left hand side first term. Minus 10xy minus 10x by y divided by 2x by y. So minus 10, fraction in the numerator, write the same fraction. Fraction in the denominator, write its reciprocal. So x will be cancelled, y will be cancelled. So minus 5. So what we are getting, right at the top and at the left. Now we have to multiply minus 5 with these two terms. 2 5s are 10, minus into plus, different sign. So minus 2 5s are 10 into x by y, minus 5 into minus 5 plus 25. Change the sign. X by y same variable, minus 10 plus 10, so it will become 0. 27 minus 25, it is 2. Bring these two terms here, minus 10 y by x, y square by x square. Multiply all the terms by 2. 2x by y minus 10. Then one more term we have to find, first term by first term. 2 by 2x by y. Fraction in the denominator alone. So write its reciprocal. So the answer is y by x. So take this to the right and at the left. Now we have to multiply y by x with these three terms. Okay, y by x with these three terms. So y by x, 2x by y. I am writing here separately for your convenience. Now y by x into 2x by y. X will be cancelled, y will be cancelled. So 2 minus 10 y by x. Next y square x square plus y square x square. So what you get? 2. You get 2 minus 10 y by x plus y square by x square. That we have right here, 2 minus 10 y by x plus y square by x square. Change the sign, so it will be cancelled. Okay. So next, the answer we have to write, square root of x square by y square minus 10x by y plus 27 minus 10y by x plus y square by x square. The value is, the square root is right this, x by y minus 5 plus y by x. The value of a and b if the following polynomials are perfect square. This polynomial is a perfect square. If it is a perfect square, we have to find the unknown value a and b. But procedure will be the same. Last step alone we have to do that. Some different changes will be there. So square root of 4x power 4. It is equal to 2x square. So right at the top and at the left, and multiply these two, you will get 4x power 4. Change the sign, it will be cancelled. Bring the next two terms, minus 12x cube plus 37x square. Then left, multiply the top, the terms at the top by 2, so 4x square. Next, first term by first term, minus 12x cube by 4x square. Different sign, minus 3, then x cube by x square, subtract the power x. So minus 3x, like the same here also minus 3x. So minus 3x we have to multiply with these two terms. So minus into plus minus 3 fourths are 12 x into x square x cube minus into minus plus 3 threes are 9 x square. Okay. Next change the sign, it will be cancelled. 37 minus 9 28 x square. After subtracting, bring the next two terms here, plus bx plus a. Left hand side, multiply the terms on the top by 2. 4x square minus 6x. First term by first term. 28x square by 4x square. X square will be cancelled. 7. So, plus 7 here plus 7. Multiply 7 here. 28x square. 6 sevens are 42. So, minus 42x. 7 sevens are 49. Actually, it is 0. We will change the sign. It will be cancelled. And it will become 0. This is must that we have to write the sentence. Since the given polynomial is a perfect square. Given polynomial is a perfect square. All these we have to do in the rough work. And after this step we have to write b and the new sign, consider the new sign. B plus 42 equal to 0, so b is equal to minus 42. A minus 49 is equal to 0, so a is equal to 49. So we have to find the value of a and b. Here also we have to find the value of a and b. The same procedure we are going to follow, but a and b are there in the beginning. So we have to bring it to the last. So write in reverse order. Constant first 100, then coefficient of x, that is 220x, then x square term 361x square, then x cube plus bx cube, then x power 4 plus ax power 4. So the first step square root of 100, 10, so 10 tens are 100. We have to subtract, it will be cancelled. Okay. Next bring the next two terms. Left hand side, multiply the term at the top by 2, so 20. Okay. Now first term by first term, 220x by 20. So 11x. Right at the top and at the left. Now what we have written? 11x. We have to multiply 11x with these two terms. So 11 into 20, 220x. 11 11s are 121x square. Okay. Again change the sign. It will be cancelled. Here 0, 4, 2 plus 240x square. Then bring the next two terms, bx cube plus ax power 4. Okay. Left hand side, multiply these two terms by 2. So 20 plus 22x. 20 plus 22x. Again first term by first term, 240x square by 20. 240x square by 20. So 12x square. So plus 12x square. Here also plus 12x square. So multiply by 12x square with these two terms. 12 into 20, 240x square. 12 into 22. 22, 12. 24, remainder 4, 2, 24, 26. So plus 2, 64 x cube. 12 12s are 144 x power 4. It will become 0. We have tried since the given polynomial is a perfect square. Change the sign, it will be cancelled. Here also change the sign. After that, see here b minus 264. B minus 264 equal to 0. Equate the coefficient of x cube. B minus 264 is equal to 0. Next coefficient of x power 4. A minus 144 is equal to 0. So b is equal to 264, a is equal to 144. Find the values of m and n. Same procedure, but it is in the fraction. Okay. So write in the same order. 1 by x power 4 minus 6 by x cube plus 13 by x square plus m by x plus n. Okay. First square root of the first term, root of 1 by x power 4 is equal to 1 by x square. So write at the top and at the left, and if you multiply these two we will get 1 by x power 4. Change the sign and cancel. Next two terms, minus 6 by x cube plus 13 by x square. Okay, multiply this term by 2, so we will get 2 by x square. First term by first term, minus 6 by x cube by 2 by x square. Fraction in the numerator, write the same fraction. Fraction in the denominator, write its reciprocal. So minus 3. Here x square, x power, x cube, x square, greatest power is here. So we have to bring this 2 as minus 2 here. So we will get the x minus 3 by x. So we have tried that here. Here, write the same minus 3 by x. Now we have to multiply minus 3 by x with these two terms. 2 by x square minus 3 by x. Same procedure, but fraction is there, so do little carefully. Minus into plus minus, 3 2s are 6, x into x square, x cube. Minus into minus plus, 3 3s are 9, x into x, x square. So these two terms we have right here. Minus 6 by x cube plus 9 by x square. Change the sign, it will be cancelled. Here 1 by x square, 13 minus 9, 4. The variable is 1 by x square, so 4 by x square. Okay, bring the next two terms, m by x plus n. Multiply the terms by 2. 2 by x square minus 6 by x. Again first term by first term. 4x square, 4 by x square by 2 by x square. Fraction in the numerator, write the same fraction. Fraction in the denominator, write its reciprocal. So we will get 2. So plus 2. Now multiply 2 to sub. 4 by x square minus 12 by x plus 4. Change the sign. It will be cancelled. It will become 0 since the given polynomial is a perfect square. Since the given polynomial is a perfect square. So this is 0, it will become 0. Now again compare 1 by x, 1 by x. Coefficient of 1 by x m, here plus 12. So m plus 12 is equal to 0. M is equal to minus 12. Constant n, new sign, n minus 4 equal to 0. So n is equal to 4. So find the value of m and n if it is a perfect square. Now m and n are in the middle. Okay, so x power 4, x cube, x square, x constant. So write in this order, x power 4 minus 8x cube plus mx square plus nx plus 16. So first step, root of x power 4, that is x square. Write at the top and at the left. If you multiply x square into x square, x power 4, change the sign, it will be cancelled. Next you take the next two terms, minus 8x cube plus mx square. Left hand side, multiply by 2, 2x square. Now first term by first term, minus 8x cube by 2x square. Different sign, minus 4x cube by x square, x. So minus 4x and here minus 4x. Now multiply by minus 4x, plus into minus minus, 2 4s are 8x cube, minus into minus, plus 16x square. Change the sign, it will be cancelled. Now x square write as such, m minus 16, m minus 16. Okay, next after subtracting bring the next two terms. Here multiply the terms at the top by 2. So 2x square minus 8x. Now here m minus 16 first term by first term we cannot do. We can do, but it will be in terms of m. So to do easily, see the last term 16. Square root of 16, 4. So it is confirmed that 4 will come here. So write 4 at the top and at the left. Now multiply by 4, 8x square. Multiply by 4 minus 32x, then 4 4s are 16. It is given that it is a perfect square. Change the sign, it becomes 0. Now since the given polynomial is a perfect square, see here m minus 16 minus 8 is equal to 0. m minus 16 minus 8 is equal to 0. m minus 24 is equal to 0. m is equal to 24. Here n plus 32 is equal to 0. So n is equal to minus 32.